So I'll watch a little bit of this one. We're not going to watch all of it. It's 10 minutes, but I'll watch a little bit of this one. Okay. So let's watch this.
Late last night.
Oh, the GoFundMe
page to set up, soliciting donations. Until the wording was changed during the testimony of the last witness, it read that
the wording was changed.
Caretaker for Murdaugh's mom.
The GoFundMe.
She recently had to testify against him, and goes on to say, I want to reward her for her bravery and honesty. The very first donation made on this GoFundMe page, which was made shortly after it first went up last night, was made by attorney Mark Tinsley, who paid her $1,000. Presumably following the description.
Interesting.
In consideration of her testimony.
Whoa.
Okay.
There I have, if you want,
wow,
the screenshot showing that.
Danger, Will Robinson, danger.
Mark Tinsley's name actually appeared as the donor for $1,000. He removed his name, and it now appears as anonymous.
Yeah, I fucked up there. You fucked up there, son.
That he admits he did make this payment to the witness in the middle of trial.
Looks like a quid pro quo now.
And therefore,
it's focusing on him now.
Your Honor, and therefore,
mother's scared.
The defense should move to exclude his testimony.
Yeah.
And
on what basis?
Your Honor, the legal standard
bribery.
It's literally a bribe.
I cannot, searching Westlaw, find a single case in which a prosecutor has tries to put to the jury a lawyer who has already testified he has a direct financial interest in the outcome of this case, who is also making monetary payments to prosecution witnesses during the trial.
Ooh.
Your Honor, I believe that this is a question of first impression. Because it's a question of, I understand that the facts here in this case are disturbing, but because it's a question of first impression, I would respectfully urge the court to keep in mind the aphorism that bad facts make bad law. A prosecutor, to my knowledge, to Westlaw's knowledge, has never before done this.
What's improper? Because it's dirty as fuck. This is not improper at all. This is improper. This is not proper at all. It's completely improper, 100% improper for this to happen, especially during trial.
About what he did.
About what Mr. Tinsley did?
Yes.
He made a financial payment to a witness in the middle of a trial that he has a financial interest in the outcome of.
Yeah, I can't believe he would make that.
How does the judge not see this as a problem right away? How is it possible? How does the judge, this is already blows my mind. How is it possible? This motherfucker does not see this as a problem. Does not see bribery as a problem. Paying witnesses as a problem. Holy shit. This guy should be stripped to the bench. Yeah, I mean, I see some of the comments out there. I can't say some of those things, but should be stripped to the bench. Wow. I'll watch a little bit more of this, but I mean, I don't need to see any more to know this judge should not be on the bench.
I can't believe the judge just asked that.
Made a $1,000 payment.
No, this is Kingsley clearly did something wrong. What did the prosecutor do wrong?
He has testified that he has a direct financial interest in.
Well, that would be good fodder for cross-examination.
Are you serious?
Are you kidding me?
Like the court's ruling.
I'm not going to strike his testimony.
What?
Maybe good fodder for cross-examination.
No, that you should strike his testimony.
Issue given the testimony.
See that's the point. Like right there, he loses me right there. It's like you needed to. The only response is to get rid of the testimony, right? Is to stop the testimony. That's insane. One more super chat here, just to close up. Ben SC says on Locals $1 says to counter your drug theory, he was able to successfully manage to fire 2 long guns and then get rid of the weapons, all while getting 0 DNA on him from the victims. Honestly, until they sorted out the wife's phone being 2 miles away at the same time his car was started, I don't know how it could have been done. Yeah, I think firing the 2 guns is a big fact, and we have heard no theories that get beyond that. But guys, I do have to run here. I've got a couple things to take care of over here in Bangkok. I will be back. Tomorrow, as well as next week, streaming here, and also we'll do some locals exclusives as well. Oh, sorry, there's a $10 super chat here. iDVD says, This is why I think prosecutors should have the same punishment as those they wrongfully convict, and I don't think government employees should be allowed to vote. I would agree with that latter part. They have too much of a vested interest at this point. But I think wrongful prosecution is a serious problem, and there needs to be consequences for these bingers, right? For these people. I'm calling them bingers. You guys who have been here from Rittenhouse, you know what I'm talking about. These are bingers of the world that are wrongfully prosecuting people. That being said, guys, I will catch you later. Take care. See you later.